What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the Z3. So the Z3 has, if you don't know, it's up for sale at the moment. And during that cold weather that we had, I had a viewing and the guy wanted to see the roof down. And me, being the guy I was like, yeah, no bother. Put the roof down and yeah, we didn't end well. So look at this. Nasty. So got a nice crack in the window. So managed to get another roof again off of Aaron and Adam from Simmons BM, and me and other Danny are currently here swapping this over because I have a viewing on this car on Monday, and I'm pretty sure he doesn't want to take it with a window with a split in the boot, so with a split on the back of it. So yeah, we'll get that swapped over, and yeah, hopefully this car will be good to go. Kind of sad. I drove it for the first time in a few months today, and kind of made me not want to sell it. It's a pretty easy job to do. You've got two covers on either side here. Uncover these 13 mils, and then at the back we have this piece of carpet, which you remove these sort of poppers. It does help if you've got a panel removal tool, which we do not have with us. Typical.
So screwdriver and long nose pliers for the win.
Woohoo! Yeah, so we'll do that, and then behind there's like a whole line of 10 mils that literally go around the entire sort of base of this roof. So literally around the entire thing, you've got a whole load of 10 mils. But once you've got them out, it's pretty straightforward job from there. However, these are usually sealed around this as well, which can make it quite a pain. So we'll have a look, we'll see if we can get these off, get these 10 mils out and the rest of the bolts, and yeah, we'll take it from there and see how we get on. Right, so once you've got the fuck off, Cosmo. so yeah, once you've got this carpet out of the way, this is what you're going to see, just a whole load of... This is not PG, right? So, a whole load of 10 mils that literally go around the entire thing. So there's a couple on the sides which are like behind these wee covers. Let's see if I can find it. Go around from this way. Can we see it? Kind of. So you can see like down here, there's this little black cover. So you kind of want to pop this black cover out the way because there's one more behind there. And then once we've got them out, there'll be two more on either side, which I will show you once the roof is down and we can see a bit more. There we go. Other roof is off. So that's it there. Oh. There we go. So yeah, it came off in a slightly more aggressive way. That was a bit of a pain in the ass, however, because obviously me and Aaron took off this one, it was pretty straightforward just getting that one off. The car's ready just to get this other one on. However, we're just going to go and grab some sealant just because we don't want, obviously these come Tiger Seal from factory around there, which is why they're such a pain to take off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and grab some sealant and put it just around the back of that again, because the last thing I want is for this to end up leaking for the next owner. So Danny has been, and Danny, other Danny, have been sending it, getting all this old sealant off of there. So yeah, we're going to carry on, get off as much as we can.
It always seems when hard work's getting done.
Yeah.
You guys fuck off, please.
It's always used to like that. Woohoo! There we go. Oh wait, no light. Hey! Right. Sealant is in. Getting the bolts in. New roof needs a good clean. Needs a very good clean. But it is solid. No rips, no tears, nice seal. And it's all good. Right, we're almost done. The reverse process was pretty straightforward. Once we've got that line of sort of sealant around it, it's just sugaring it in. What we've done is we've done one side first and then push the other side inwards, because if you try and do both at the same time, it's just too wide and it won't fit. So yeah, once we've done that, it was pretty much just getting the two wee 10 mils on either side in place, and then the two 13 mils. and then just fire on with the rest of the terminals, and then put that wee carpet back, and once that carpet's back, the roof is done. So probably going to go and give this roof a good scrub, give it a good clean, but we have a window that is not cracked. Another successful night with the boys. This is great. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. Alright, what's happening, everyone? It is the next day. We got that roof on, got everything sorted, carpet's back into place, and it fits perfectly. Everything's bang on and it looks nice and tight. Now, as you probably saw, the state of this roof is quite mouldy. It was sitting underneath a tree for a little bit. However, there aren't any rips or tears around it, so it's a good roof, but it just needs a good clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a good wash today. So got everything set up, ready to go. I do not know where I've put my stand or where I've put my tripod or whatnot, so I'm just going to have to give this a clean, show you guys the result afterwards. Okay, so in here on this side we've got the carpet back into place. Perfectly, looks exactly as it did before I touched it, which is exactly what I wanted. We've got the little caps back in, the little seals are on, so everything is good. Now the last roof that was on this bracket here was actually snapped, and it had been welded previously but it snapped again, so that wasn't ideal, but it just meant that when I was trying to put the roof down, one side would go down and the other side wouldn't, so you'd have to grab it from the middle, etc., and it was just a bit of a nightmare. Whereas this roof is actually in much better condition internally and kind of externally after I give it a clean, but we'll have a look and we'll see how it looks after I'm done with it. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a good clean, give the car a good clean. Got the S-Class and my current daily there as well, so all three cars are gonna get love today. Alright, there we go, all clean, sorted, it's looking pretty good. Kind of regretting the idea of selling this thing, but I can't keep them all. It's looking lovely. So the roof has come out pretty well, but still a little bit streaky. I couldn't really be bothered going through the effort of getting the drill brush out and going at this with that, but I mean, it's a hell of a lot better than it was before. I dried it off, gave it a good coating with a ceramic sealant as well, so it's got another little layer of protection for the next owner. She's done, ready to go. This is sad. I've actually really enjoyed this car, way more than I thought I would. The initial plan with it was to sort of get it, fix it up a little bit, do whatever needed to be done and pretty much sell it straight away. But from the moment I drove it, I was like, it's just too good. So kept it for a bit longer. I got to enjoy it a bit, not as much as I would want to, but given the rest of the project, it needs to go. It will certainly be missed though. It's an absolute little weapon. But anyway, thanks for sticking about to the end of the video. Hopefully this thing goes away to a home where the next guy's gonna look after it, cherish it, no expense spared, and just enjoy it. But anyways, I'm gonna carry on washing daily and the family bus. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.